Good afternoon natin dyan lahat sa Pilipinas. Today guys, we just finished one day of cruise going to Funchal. And Funchal guys, by the way, is the capital of the islands owned by Portuguese here in the Atlantic Ocean. So ayan guys, we're lucky today because we had the sun, we had the blue skies. But at the same time guys, dito sa Funchal, noon kasi itong lugar guys na medyo malamig, mahangin, maulan. So yan yung Funchal guys. Kung nakita ninyo, we're lucky today kasi natapat tayo guys na walang ulan today and we had blue skies and some clouds. And ayan guys, lucky tayo kasi merong rainbow. Woohoo! By the way guys, here in Funchal, this is the capital of the two islands owned by Portugal, and this is normally the stopover bago tawid ng Amerika guys. So it's just about a day or 2 days away from Portugal guys. And ayan guys, this is Funchal. So most of the time guys, maulan dito, mahangin, and you have a very, a great thick cloud cover. Pero sorry tayo ngayon kasi meron tayong magandang weather. Behind this cruise ship guys is the CR7, no? Ito yung restaurants owned by Cristiano Ronaldo, the famous soccer player guys. And CR7 ang tawag ng lugar na yan guys. Kaya ayan guys, pag nandito kayo sa Funchal, you have to go to CR7 and visit the whole of Funchal. There's a lot more to see guys. Okay, obrigado for watching and see you on the next one. Bye bye.